Well, good day everyone. It's January the 3rd, 2026, and it is raining. Like it will be for the next 4 months. It's all good. I got my nice cozy van here to work from. We had a couple of drop-offs yesterday. A couple of these fine fabric shears that we will fix up. And a bundle with some knives and a hatchet. So we'll get those going. Stay hydrated. Mucho importante. Oh. Hope everyone's having an awesome start to their new year. Happy New Year, everyone. For these fine fabric shears, they're quite fragile in the sense that the edges are very delicate. So we'll skip the coarse grind, go straight to the polish. You see, it's a varying degree. You can see them a little. And it doesn't need much. I'm getting the edge there. Give it a little bit more. Starting to come up. And the grit on this belt here is probably about 1,000 now. It's started off life as a 600 grit, but it's been used for probably a couple hundred knives now, a few hundred knives. So slowly coming. There we go. There we go, we got a burr on both sides. We'll just cut the burr off manually. She's pretty sharp. Just give it a quick buff. And this place is a total disaster right now. And what we're checking is that we have full cut right from the very tip all the way up. Yep, beautiful. Rinse and repeat. We'll do the other one and get on to the other stuff. See you in a bit.